Yinarai assassini airport in my moja nananu shegu edigu on my
Memo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so there is a breaking news eba a free Ahmed Swale nebusiafo ho em say Ahmed Swale na otiase no na owon yere mienu now ne yere baako aba bonten ne nsem bi aba betudwa wode nsem ato anaso wode nsem akese ato anaso anas nso aba be responde eno hunti yebekọ asem ni mu na yehu baby a issue no free eba na uhu article na my news gh4 na wo mo atro sa article no title no Ahmed Swale's 4 kids 10 school dropouts. Wife says Anas neglected them after initial efforts to help. Na te say Ahmed Swale ne mba enan sisia no sika wo mo de beko school kra no wo mu ni bi na ne yere no ese Anas wa neglect yomo Anas ejai omo say wo hwe omo ati ase oyere no allegation a wode eba no senya me ma mote ase no Anas nso a responde inti yebekọ story ni mu o say the second wife of slain journalist Ahmed Swale has alleged that her late husband's 4 children have all dropped out of school while she herself has been thrown out of her home in what she alleged is a neglect by her husband's boss Anas Arimeyao Anas. I say one ankasa no ni fia na wote no ya pame na free ho. Ne mba enan wo mu school ye yi omo fi school. Ni na ne say Anas na wo ye Ahmed boss no wa neglect omo. I say Ahmed Hussein Swale was a Ghanaian undercover investigative journalist and an associate of controversial journalist Anas Arimeyao Anas. Swale died on Wednesday 16th January 2019 when unidentified men yeni Emmanuel Ahmed Swale the etono also currently say a murder believed to be linked to his work. Anas Arimeyao also he left behind 2 wives and 4 children. She say Ahmed no now one year mienu na enkola enan. Also currently none of the 4 children are in school due to financial constraints. Seeking financial support online from a Muslim support group called Ikra. The second wife of the slain journalist Swale said Anas initially paid the school fees for the 4 kids for 1 academic year, but since then has abandoned them with the children now being school dropouts. That is an year na someone work and say online. Na woko kan ansem no. Okopemwa ewo online. Na wode kasa say Anas eja wo mumu na asem ni si ye no Anas etua wo mu school fees de otua nkola ni school fees for a year. Na wotua nkola ni school fees for a year no afi wa abandon nkola na allegation na ode to Anas ni. I say for fear of her own life, she told Ikra on Facebook she couldn't seek external help earlier because of the impression it would create and threats she could face, but is now speaking out because she and the 4 kids were in desperate times. So say asem no ade bia esi ya che because ebia no obi bebisa say adenti na ade esi de da fiansa wo bekasa. O say asem bia esi ya che but that time no wo hwe senia Anas ne Ahmed Swale ne Kennedy Japan ensensem elko no hu ne say wo beka ne life ebeye at risk. Basisi ade ahotraba wo yehia enyeye intisisi ade she has no choice than to speak inta na wo kasa no. O say she is currently perching with the first wife, both of whom are struggling to get by without the support of a lump sum Anas promised them when their husband died working for him. Wase wano wakwa wakotu asisi awakwa first no na the first wife and the second Ahmed ne yere first wife and the second wife no more to be before different places. But won try by ntisi awetu and awakwa akotena first wife ne ho. Na first wife nso wo bre na say Anas promise ye say wo be mo musika puduo bi embra wo mukunu ewu ye no Anas ka say wo be mo musika puduo bi na say sika puduo no wo mo de ahyase aye adwuma ana wo mo de be hwe mo ho embra nipa kwa wo hwe mo omura oni hoyi. As many commentators and commenters of Ikra have wondered why Anas failed to afford Ameswale some level of protection given the nature of their jobs, and to also do more for his immediate family when Swale died. As appearing to hold back more information due to fear of her own life, Miss Swale said she is only coming public to appeal for help to put her children back on track and to put her life back together. Now, Anas enso ebe responding nti lady no na asem a wo ka no. Now, me mama nti ase me say on say Ghana ha yete no. Say obi ana obi obewu bia no normally no enye spouses no na mo take over things say yebusia. So wonim Ghana senia etena saa nti emfa ne say obi kunu wu a eya na ebusuan no be take over nti eno no se wan hwe ni ye na asem no mo anka ni ye a etumi bedane ntokwa between ebusuanfo ene oyere no, because ebusuanfo beka se wo mo beje japade oyere nso beka se da bi mi na japade na e se ba me ho nti wan hwe ni ye a ebedane ntokwa a twese enam so ema nkrofo kra ehwe wo mo nkwa ye de nkrofo ko eduru so ne nyama bebre. Now Anas nso aba abekasa on this allegation na yenko we did Anas nso ekan say, reacting to the development, a supposed PR of Tiger Eye, who spoke to the Ikra Facebook page, said the statement of the wife is not entirely true, as Anas Arimeyao had allegedly given an amount of $10,000 to the family. Inti Anas nso nsemo a wo kan say, sikapuduo a oyere no eka ho asem se me se mema no ne kre we anya Anas kan kasa ni PR yo se obi oya Anas PR wa ba bonje aba be kasa ne kresa asikapudio no $10,000 media mebusuanfo e na mama mo ate ase. That's why I gave you that initial and a preamble no say Ghana de inti eno no unim de ya nkrofo ye. Mostly people know that yen say me say I'll not even lie to you, Madam Fubi ewu ye this year, Madam Fopan ewu ye this year a ye call na ye na ye ko na ye no ye hu se sika no ye de ko ye na nsabode a ebekọ ebusuanfo ne ho nti e bia nkrofo a madamfo no otiase a na wo hwe omo no sika ne nko omo ho nti saa time de ye ne se ye di sika no koma obi a ye nim se directly madamfo no ehwe ne so ene ye di sika ne ko hye sande pa ko ne nsem ena ya ko bon sabode ban sabode a ye boy ne nhye da anye sika kese sika pudo na nkase ye de command pa kon, because we know how the system works. Inti Anas from the camp nso trese wo mo de $10,000 said the command ebusuanfo e kan me nko a nanka what should have been done ene say nanka Anas emma ebusuanfo no $2,000 na oyere no wo man 4, the first wife no man 4,000. Not the second wife, no so money 4,000. No one can't try so munye kom, because I know how Ghana eti. Udi agrona in yere ne yo mwadwe so muko di sike ni echikra na. Ebusuanfo ne beka so sika no ye de aye yie no. Sika ne mba medu ebusuanfo no ho beka se ne yemfa nkoma yere no. Ase mu nim Ghana. Inti Anas nso ne side a what trend say. Ma mebusuanfo 10,000 nti ono ebia no osusu se wa mebusuanfo 10,000 no ebusuanfo nso di sika ne be ma oyere basisi an se ne asem na akwakoye no the two of the both of the wives no wo mo kra enim se sika no akọ ebusuanfo ne ho. But Anas nso no feel say that was the right way, because yes indeed obi wa nipa kwa ye di sika ko show mu nsem eyere. But essence me can based on experience a yenim say e ko di ebusuanfo ho a pa say no nipa kwa di sika komo mu ebusuanfo obi wa nipa kwa di sika komo mu ebusuanfo. But essence me yenim pa say based on Ghana senior system ne ti ni ebusuanfo nipa ye sika ni brain ti no chale it is better say o de be kwakọ e bia ne mba na o de akwakọ ma ne mba no saa na nsen kra me classmate bi eno so this year me classmate bi ono so sa nikunu wuye yakọ ya ni sika ne yamfa nkọ ma ebusuanfo no ono mpo de yankọ boy nsambọ de kra yakọ ya na de sika no kọ share lady ne nsem se je When you sika na bro because you say ko di ebusuanfo ne ho a enya de asa sika ne beba bedi ho ebusuanfo ne nka se wo mo de brel nti yen de ye de ma oje nti mi susu se anas ade a wa ye ne de yes or the 10,000 akwa akoma ebusuanfo but mi susu se na nke wo se wo te sika ne bi to na odi bi ma ebusuanfo na odi bi ma yere ni we nti no nim say yes ebusuanfo de na mba kra na oyere no de yere ni ye okay ate ase nti no na de confusion no aye den aba no nti say she's supposed to be the second wife of Ahmed Swale, but have you spoken to the head of the family of Ahmed Swale? Are you ready for me to talk or not? Let me talk. As someone back on the kind no. I am saying that she mentioned certain things that totally was untrue. I am asking as journalists, did you speak to the family of Ahmed Swale? It's your business to speak to people just like that. She mentioned that nobody takes care of Ahmed Swale's children in terms of school fees and school. That was not true. She also mentioned that nobody gave the wives any money. It is not true. I know for a fact that she was given $10,000 through the family. If you don't take care, you can easily be sued. In Titran won't say, Anasin so no, one more side no, one more in Semnama family no, Musu say, I could do family no ho dear, Ebeko or year in a ho. But she said, or year in a worker because the money didn't come. And it is, you see, and Amaka no, I just say, will be our Becca, so we'll name Ghana send your system net. So we'll name Ghana send your year system net ya, sa. Unim send your year Ghana system net ya, sa. Hey, a branch be a minim no, and also, sir, I send we are making 4 years ago. 3-4 years ago, and a branch and Nimami woo ya. Nimami woo ya tresse, Nimami ebusianfo. Na branch and any no ding. Ena eye sika no wode ne nsa ekofa sika na nanka sika no nya 1 cedi kra. No, sorry, na enye sika ne mpo. Abranche no eno de no de kofa ne mame nkrata like a dime because na ne mame sin dime or plot na nyama. Nti nkrata no ena wokofa e. Nti nkrata ne de na e wo ne ho. Ba eye sika ne de ebusuanfo ne de sika ne dwane koe. Nti ho na branch ni sua nyansa se na nka wanye wa because na ebusuanfo no ene na pre nkrata ne ho so mfa nkrata ne nso mbra ti ho se ne omudi eye sika ni dwane ye no ho no hu se nka wa ma neni anye den anje nkrata na nka na so be ye hye esin bibia edi sade we de esi esi ebusuanfo wo mo ene eye nsabode eye sikaba weni betil no wo mo be masa mo ka tro so sika na ya che na sei na ene eye na canopy na masa udi agro 1 cedi kra wo ebusuani no unya udi agro 1 cedi unya ana se de obi nso ebeka eno nso de ebi mo ye ne se o ebi a wofa ebeba na wofa na ka se o mehwe ne nkola na nti no mo de eye ni sika no mo mfa mame na ye de eye ni sika na ijapadi na ma wofa no se o se obehwe nkola no masa ho no forget it o de sika no ko hwe ono angasa ne mba na mo no onimu wan o tomo to baby kra nti asem we da ho no Ghana de sa mo ntre mo ade comment box ni mo me da se